This is our unboxing video of the HP Engage Flex Mini, which is based off the Desktop Mini Business PC series from HP. It's one of the units that we keep in local stock. This one has a Core i5 processor, 10th generation, 16 gig of RAM, 256 gig SSD, and has a multitude of ports. The Engage Flex Mini is a little bit different to the desktop minis because it has a longer life cycle. So that's why it's added into the retail range of HP. Comes with a keyboard in the box, so just one of HP's standard business keyboards. You have your quick setup guides and your warranty guides in the box. You also get a standard business mouse, USB. This unit also comes with a vertical stand, so if you need to stand it somewhere, it'll allow the ventilation systems to work properly and give it a bit more stability. You also get the power supply, which is your standard HP power supply barrel, 65 watt with a adapter. This is the actual PC. You can see it's quite a small form factor. They call it a 1 litre form factor. On the front there's one USB-C super speed 10 gigabit port type C, one type A super speed USB 10 gigabit port, another type A super speed. You also have the audio output for your headphones. Onto the back, 2 display ports. Mixture of super speed ports and charging ports, USB type 2 ports, Ethernet port as well, and your VGA port. It's got quite a lot of connectivity. Demo of the stand being used, so you can have your Engage Flex Mini in a vertical stand. That's what it looks like. There you have it. That's the HP Engage Flex Mini.